Yep, they smell good.
But they take it out of your hand.
Oh yeah, they didn't like bite you.
Oh, I have another 50. You baby. I get your baby. Baby.
Right, here's another one.
No, do a trick. Do a trick. Do a trick. Jump.
If he does that, he's going to take your thumb.
Daniel, stand up, please. Brendan. Brendan. He's too busy showing off. He doesn't want your food right now. Benjamin, stay back. Leave the geese be, please.
Sounds like a motor.
Woo! Sounds like a fan. Like, oh, Thomas videoing it.
She's like, no, thanks. I like bad boys.
He's staring that duck down.
Yeah, the two always is
Guys, back up. Stop moving in on him.
try to take his feather.
No.
If he drops one, I want it.
I wonder if the little baby's saying, come on, Mom, he's showing off for you. Have some pity.
Oh, he's gonna. Yeah. And then what? What if she does have pity on him? Then what happens?
They become friends. Oh, Dad, he doesn't like you. He's shaking his butt at you.
He's fanning.
He's going to reverse now.
Look at the fluffy down under there.
Oh, Tom is videoing it, isn't he? So is Emily.
She's like, no, thanks. I like bad boys.
He's staring that duck down. Wait, little chick. Oh, the chicks are next to him.
Yeah, the two always
Guys, back up. Stop moving in on him.
try to take his feather.
No.
No.
He's trying to impress
if
the
he
lady.
drops one, I want it. I want it.
I'm impressed.
I don't know. It was that one right there. The one walking into the water.
I like how they used a peacock to make that sound for up with Kevin. Oh,
They're all done. It might be full.
Put some on your hand.
Dad's taking his picture. Oh, don't walk too close to him. Just walk down.
You got to come at him so he can see that you're bringing him food.
No! He'd eat it out of your hand, actually, would he?
Oh, Goosey. You be nice to my boy.
The hiss is what would do.
Oh, hey!
You see the peacock scaring him off.
Here. Hey! You can't see it. Look, the other one can. Hey!
Real peaceful area, isn't it? I know that they're making their noise, but
they're like
These guys?
no, the ones with the black.
Do they hurt? Does it hurt?
You There you go. Taste it. Pepper, pepper, pepper.
Not you, Grouchy.
Daniel, these guys. I like these guys.
Ow! He bit me right between the fingers. Like my fingers spread slightly apart and he bit the web.
No, you don't.